So here we have the Citroen DS3 1.6 Cabrio on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a three-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors. Given that it's a cabriolet, a really decent amount of boot space along with a 60-40 split folding rear seat. I'm just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the condition of the seats is fantastic. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. We've got the rev counter on the left, speedometer in the middle, and then on the far right hand side the fuel gauge and the total miles for this car of 5,096. Over in the centre here we've got the main screen for the stereo. The stereo itself is actually beneath that just here. So this car has got FM and AM radio, and then if you press the source button on the main stereo unit you can see that it's got an auxiliary input as well, and on top of that it has a CD player, which again is on this main unit just here. In the middle there we've got climate control, so you can adjust the temperature digitally with these buttons in the middle. Fan speed is adjustable up and down with these buttons here, and then the air conditioning is on when you press that button to turn it on, or you can hit auto and the car will maintain 27 degrees for you by adjusting the fan speed accordingly, and then you can just override that by readjusting the fan speed yourself. We then have a sort of cubbyhole area here and a 5-speed manual gearbox, and then next to the handbrake we've got the auxiliary socket that I mentioned and a 12-volt charging socket as well. Possibly the main element of any Cabrio is the roof, so I'll show you that now. We've got a button just up here. If we hit that, the roof will open all the way back by itself. What it will do, it will stop short of actually covering the rear window, which you can see just there. If we give it a second push, the rear window will fold away and it will cover where the window was. And there you go, with the window folded away, as you can see, the roof is fully back, so it lets in plenty of air and light as well, of course. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.